The eyes are meant to see something beautiful and something which is not beautiful. In this video, you are going to see this slum, and this area is called Nkwazi or Senior area here in NDOLA, Zambia. I want you to see this part. I've shown you the beauty part of NDOLA town, but I also want you to see this kind of life. Learn something, perceive life the way these people perceive their life. Always remember that one coin has got two sides, and this is the other side of life. Welcome to the masterpiece, Timothy Hara. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you are watching me from. Today I'm in Senior, and this place is located here in NDOLA, Zambia. Right now I'm going to do this video in this compound because somebody requested that I should do another video concerning Senior compound. Guys, I have to do it because I did not tour the whole place. I also did not show you the other part of this compound. So right now in this video I'm going to show you this other part. As you are joining me, please like this video, share and subscribe, because in this video you are going to learn how people are living their life, how different communities that we have here in NDOLA, Zambia, the way we are living outside there, the way other people are living, having luxurious life. In this compound, it's totally different, because some people they do admire to live the way we are living. So in this video I'm going to show you how people are living. Please guys, stay good and enjoy this video. Guys, show you. Life here is so cruel in real life. If you were to be here, I'm telling you, you can see and say that life is so rough on other people. So yakushana ngakukulira so kuchapyana ngoji nangwa 2 weeks mukochera kwi pano pere epa inaveni pano pere pesa paka shop karia If you are watching this video, you might think that this is a village, but this is not a village. This is a place here in NDOLA, Zambia. You know, NDOLA is so clean, NDOLA is so beautiful, NDOLA is a place you need to be, but I cannot just be telling you or showing you the good part of it, but there is also this part. That's why I thought like, okay, let me show you this part in case you might have to visit this place. And one thing that you have to know is that this place is not just a place for you to live in. This place is so dangerous, so dangerous. I'm saying this because I know this place and I know the number of things that have been recorded, like most each and every year, each and every time you hear this, like from the news, from a flavor to okay, this is what is happening in this place. So it's so dangerous. There are so many vices in this place. Guys, I hope you're liking this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, please. This will help to grow my channel.
Apenas um filho.
Which tension? My people, thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe, click on the notification button for you to get all my latest videos. And right now I'm going to do a part 3 of this area called Senior. This is a slum which we have here in NDOLA Zambia. So thank you so much. Stay glued to my channel. Keep on watching, and I'll update you what is happening around the world, what is happening around Zambia and NDOLA, to be specific, because this is where I am right now. Thank you so much, and I'm out.